In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Twitch app keeps stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are getting this error on your smartphone where you are told Twitch app keeps stopping, whether you are using it or not, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To get started, first you need to look for settings option on your phone and tap on it to open. From here, go to apps option and look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch. Now, if I open it, go down to force stop app and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and now once you have restarted your smartphone, you want to make sure that you are not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone. If you have any of this, uninstall them before you open and start using your app. So at this point, now that error should have gone. However, if you still experience the same error, now go to Google Play Store and search for your Twitch app and check if you have any update your app to the latest version to fix this. But sometimes even after updating, you might still experience the same error. If that's the case, uninstall your Twitch app. This will clear all bugs that might be associated with your app which are causing this error. And once you install it afresh, now you should have the latest version of Twitch app that is free from any bugs. At this point, now everything should work without any issue. Let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.